Look at the world around you. The table, the walls, the very air you breathe. We experience these things as solid, reliable constants, yet they are built on a foundation that is entirely hollow. Reality operates as a three-dimensional projection, a cosmic image composed of microscopic pixels. Each point in this field carries a specific energy saturation, creating the physical textures we mistake for solid matter. Physicists have long searched for the base of this field, the unified theory that connects everything. But we've hit a wall. The instruments we use to measure reality are built from the very field they are trying to observe. Because we are living inside the projection, we cannot step outside to see the projector. To understand the boundaries of our universe, we have to look at the numbers that define our technological limits. We build massive particle colliders, multi-billion-dollar machines designed to smash atoms into their smallest possible components, hoping to glimpse the universe's bedrock. But the math reveals a clear ceiling. The smallest scale advanced detectors can register is 10 to the power of 20. The universe's fundamental base exists just beyond reach at 10 to 19. A detector cannot register something smaller than its own materials. Attempting to see the unified field with these tools is like trying to use your own eye to look directly at your own retina. This gap ensures that science will never witness the field directly. We are left observing ghost effects, the ripples and shadows the field casts into our macroscopic world. Our inability to see this foundation doesn't make it a theory, it makes it an environment. We are fish trying to see the water we are currently swimming in. Everything began at a zero-dimensional singularity. This point birthed a near-infinite, one-dimensional energy field, the blueprint for our entire reality. This one-dimensional expansion generated space and time simultaneously. These lines of energy formed the backbone of the universe, creating the dimensions required for matter. This field is often called zero-point energy. It is an expanse so vast it is conceptualized as infinity minus one, a source of energy that is near infinite, yet bounded by the laws of our specific reality. Every star, planet, and person is a direct result of this 1D field. We are all quite literally the offspring of that original singular point. If we move past the smallest particles known to science, past even the quarks, we find the true pixels of the unified field. Standard theory suggests pixels are loops of string. Data points instead to rigid, one-dimensional rods oscillating within the field. These rods vibrate at variable frequencies. Their energy saturation and oscillation speed dictate their manifestation as light, matter, or gravity. But what exists beneath the rods? What is the final layer of the cosmic reduction chain? Beneath the foundation lies nothing. But in this framework, nothing is not an absence. It is a state of raw potential. Much like a dreamer's mind before a dream begins, this source contains both the energy to create and the inherent awareness to observe. This implies the bedrock of our universe is not dead matter, but a living field of conscious energy. At this scale, the distinction between a physical particle and a conscious thought begins to dissolve. Because we are constructed from this aware energy field, we inherit its properties. The consciousness you feel right now isn't an accident of biology, it's a direct connection to the source. This places us in a unique position. We are the physical projection of the field, yet we are also the conscious projector giving that field its shape. Throughout history, humans have felt this power and projected it outward, worshiping it as an external deity. We have spent millennia looking at a mirror and believing the reflection was someone else. The universe you see is an internal truth projected onto a cosmic canvas. The observer and the reality being observed are two parts of the same conscious system. This provides a scientific basis for manifestation. When we accept a vision of reality without doubt or decryption, we are using our conscious focus to influence the field itself. Think of the unified field as a blank canvas. Your belief acts as the brush, shifting the energy saturation of the 1D rods to match the world you imagine. We can choose to paint a world defined by wonder rather than fear, a reality where every mind understands its own role in the creation process. Creation is not a past event, it is an ongoing process. You are holding the brush, deciding exactly what the next stroke will be. Return to MDU and like and subscribe.